Hi, so we will talk about this product versus profit. So, if talking of any company, it is very difficult for any company to survive unless there is a profit mechanism. Revenue model has to be there. So, what is happening during lockdown is kind of the uptake of uh, uh, this technological platform that has taken up, and media and finances are as it is in place, wherein um, like say, these are the prominent indicators and constituent of any revenue of any company that is making any head uh, head start in this area of productivity. So if only profit is on the focus, then the product quality goes down. So that needs to be kept in mind, which is an opinion of Steve Jobs, as a famous Apple chairman. And then the other factors that has to be kept in mind is the feedback system that we have. Of course, the product value proposition, which is mm, which actually keeps the audience hooked to that particular product and they remain loyal. And the other things are the compliance issues and the feedback. So time to time there are different perceptions happening in social media, and that needs to be kept in mind, especially if we have the example of Maggie in mind, wherein we don't know how much was true about Maggie. Uh, so if we think logically, then it is just 0.001% of possibility that something has happened. No, it cannot be like say the large scale thing. And people who have floated such a large company, they must have taken into account about the constituents that has to be used in Maggie, and it has to be no for the health friendly of an average person. So, but see the social media and the media propaganda that has been floated around it, and it kind of smashed the company altogether. Thank God it is taking off again with uh, more more clarity, and they are taking a stand as to how to. But they had to spend a lot in like repairing their own media image. So these are very important part of any company taking off. The and then whether this company is making any profit, so that has to be visible in the media also. As we talk about this Kunal Shah's Cred, which deals with credit card as well as insurance. It is a $146 million company, but there is a perception that it is not making profit. So when any company is making a grounding, establishing its foothold um, like strongly, then it is quite possible that the profits are not visible that way. It is not pure profit, but the first thing is to establish itself. And Kunal Shah says that from next year onwards, this profit will be visible. So next thing is Zoom. See, Zoom is not bothered by all the ban and everything that is happening because it is reliable and very friendly. So that is the product pitch they are making, and they are very confident about that, despite being a Chinese product or whatever, we don't know. And the third is Star India. What is happening to Star India? The with the IPL getting suspended and other thing. So they are actually making a good progress with this OTT viewership which has gone up during lockdown, and also there is a possibility that IPL will be resumed during the festive season. So they are very confident about that. So this is how a market is being managed, and we all need to be no take adjusting ourselves into having new competition. So it is not a thing of the past, or a timely just a thing of say sometime it is happening. It is not like that. Every moment, because of this digital platform going up because of lockdown and other, we should expect um, a disruptive competition anytime and every moment. Yeah. Thank you. Hope this helps.